If you want to safely test changes on your WordPress site without touching the live version, creating a staging site in Bluehost is the perfect solution. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set one up, so you can make updates, test plugins, and experiment with design changes in a private copy of your site before going live. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the website section. This is where Bluehost keeps all of your site management tools in one place, so it's the right area to start from. After that, find the WordPress website you want to work with and click Manage Site. This opens the control panel for that specific site, which gives you access to important features like settings, plugins, backups, and staging. Now that you're in the site management area, open the staging option. Staging is basically a duplicate or test version of your production site. It lets you make changes in a safe environment without affecting visitors to your live website. This is especially useful if you're changing themes, testing new WordPress updates, troubleshooting errors, or making design edits that you don't want to risk publishing immediately. Inside the staging section, you'll see your production site listed. Under that, click Clone to Staging. This is the button that tells Bluehost to copy your current live site into a staging environment. Depending on the size of your website, this may take a little bit of time, so be patient while Bluehost creates the duplicate. If your site has a lot of pages, images, plugins, or database content, the process may take a bit longer, but that's completely normal. Once Bluehost finishes creating the staging site, you'll see a message that says, "Staging site not currently editing is." That means the staging version has been successfully created, but it is not yet the active site you're viewing or editing. At this point, Bluehost has basically prepared a safe sandbox copy of your site for you to work on. The next step is important. Click the circle next to staging site to switch from the production site to the staging site. This tells Bluehost that you want to work inside the staging version instead of the live one. When you switch over, you'll know you're editing the test site, not the public version that visitors can see. And that's it. Your staging site has been created and selected in Bluehost. From here, you can log into WordPress on the staging environment, test your changes, and make sure everything works exactly the way you want before applying updates to your live website. One quick note, for this tutorial, do not use the deploy dropdown. You may see options like deploy all changes, deploy all files, or deploy database only, but those are used for sending staging changes back to the production site. Since this video is just about creating the staging site, you can ignore those deployment options for now. If this helped you create a staging site in Bluehost, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.